In this lab, we will retrieve the academic transcript of the students whose ID numbers start with the digit 7. We'll show ID, name, year, semester, section ID, course ID, title, and grade. The results should be ordered by the student ID, year, semester, section ID, and course ID. In the text table, we have the primary key, ID, course ID, section ID, semester, and year. And then we have grade. And in the student table, we have student ID, name, department name, and total credit. So we can take the student name from here, from the student table. In the course table, select all from course. We have course ID as the primary key, and we have title, course title, department name, and the credits. So the title is coming from the course table. Then we write the query part. Now in this one, so we want the student ID to be starting with 7. So let's look at student join takes and join course. Okay, so instead of these specific columns, let's print all the columns. Okay, show all the columns. Let's take out this order. Okay, let's take out this where student ID starts with 7. Let's do all student ID. So select all from student join takes on student ID equal takes ID, and then let's see what that gives. Let's see what this gives. So the student the student table, which is ID, name, department name, total credit, is joined to takes table on student ID equal take table, takes ID. And then let's join this to course table on takes course ID, takes course ID, which is this one, equal to course ID. So let's see what that gives. So we have student table, ID, name, department name, total credit is joined to the takes table with the columns ID, course ID, section ID, semester, year, and grade, where the takes the student ID is equal to takes ID. And then it is joined to the course table with the takes ID column, takes course ID column equal to course ID column. And then we want only the student ID which starts with 7. So we are student dot ID like and then this exclamation, this apostrophe marks, and then 7%. So they should give us all the IDs that start with 7 So 76543, 76543, 76653. So the 3 rows. So that gives us all the columns for the student ID that starts with 7. And we'll order course ID, and then we want from this table we want student ID, we want student name, we want takes year, we want takes semester, we want takes section ID, we want takes course ID, and we want course title, and we want takes grade. And let's remove this order by, and let's see what it gives. So here we go. So the student ID, we have student ID, student name, student year, semester, student section ID, course ID, title, and the grade. And we want to do the order. So, order by student ID, takes year, and takes semester, takes section ID, and takes course ID. Okay, so student ID 76543, student name is Joshua Brown, and the year is 2019 and 2020. Semester is fall and spring. Section ID is 1 and 2. Course ID is CS101 and CS319. And the title is Introduction to Computer Science and Image Processing. Grade is A and A. Student ID is 76653. Student name is Sony IOY. Year is 2019. Semester is the spring. Section ID is 1. Course ID is EE181. Title is Introduction to Digital Systems, and the grade is C.